Air Force began planning for the B-21 in 2011 and awarded the major development contract in 2015. As of 2022, the B-21 is expected to make its first flight in 2023. As of 2021, the bomber is expected to enter service by 2027. So finally, wait is over. The United States on Friday unveiled the B-21 Raider, a high-tech stealth bomber that can carry nuclear and conventional weapons and is designed to be able to fly without a crew on board. Dramatic music played and lights flashed as the doors of a hangar holding the new aircraft slowly opened, and the crowd applauded as the cloth covering it was pulled away to reveal a sleek gray bomber that is on track to cost nearly $700 million. The B-21 Raider is the first strategic bomber in more than 3 decades. It is a testament to America's enduring advantages in ingenuity and innovation, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin said in remarks at the ceremony. Many specifics of the aircraft are being kept under wraps, but the plane will offer significant advances over existing bombers in the U.S. fleet, which Austin highlighted in his remarks. Like the F-22 and F-35 warplanes, the B-21 features stealth technology, which minimizes an aircraft's signature through both its shape and the materials it is constructed from, making it harder for adversaries to detect. 50 years of advances and low observable technology have gone into this aircraft, Austin said. Even the most sophisticated air defense systems will struggle to detect the B-21 in the sky. The B-21 is much fancier than its predecessors, truly modern. Not only is it dual-capable, unlike the B-2, which means it can launch nuclear or conventionally armed missiles, it can launch long and short-range missiles. Not mentioned during the ceremony was the plane's potential for uncrewed flight. U.S. Air Force spokesperson Ann Stefanik told AFP the aircraft is provisioned for the possibility, but there has been no decision to fly without a crew. They flew more than 650 miles to strike distant enemy targets, and the Doolittle Raiders, as they came to be known, showed the strength and the reach of American air power. We're on the constant lookout for new and fresh information about the latest military technology developed in U.S. Let us know what you think in the comments section, because it helps us to keep going. We hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you at the next one.